opens my brand new coffee maker, and I'm pretty sure this hoe is used, because ew, are those coffee residue? Mind you, like, the stuff is still in the plastic, y'all. What is that? What is that? Ew. Oh my gosh. It's like it keeps getting worse. Alright, this is still in the plastic. Is that coffee stains? Ew. Oh, this was definitely used. What the hell? This is why people wash their items when they get it. This is nasty. This is gross. When your new coffee machine from Amazon arrives. I mean, if the coffee maker was refurbished, all they had to do was say that. Don't surprise me with stuff like that. That's gross. Took that little dish out. As long as there's not more. Since this clearly has been used, I'm gonna test it to make sure it works, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed off. So y'all can throw this in a dishwasher. This is nasty. All you had to do was say gently used. You didn't have to surprise me. This whole better work. These are the bleach wipes from that coffee maker. Look at it. Look at it. Ew. All you had to do was put it in a dishwasher, the parts that can go, and wipe it down. That was not too hard. I'm testing to see if it works now. This is what I cleaned out of the little Cape Cod canister. Just for the record, I'm not junking this. I'm just making sure the machine works. At least the pod side works. Next for the big side. I'm checking to see if the big part, the carrot brew, works. It's too early to be doing this. Alright, so it looks like this actually works. I save Amazon.